Good morning all of you. Matter is made up of large number of tiny particles. So now we discuss about world of matter. So matter occupies specific space. So two objects cannot occupy the same space at the same time. Mass of an object is the physical quantity. This space inside the container that is occupied by the matter, it is called volume. So density depends on mass and volume. So density denoted by small d. The ratio of mass to volume is called density. So density d equal to m by v, mass by volume. So formula for density, small d equal to m by v. So now we discuss to calculate the density of any matter. So density depends on mass and volume. So for example, the density of wooden block whose the mass is 4 grams and its dimensions 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 1 centimeter. So calculate the density of wooden block. So mass is given, that is 4 grams. Volume can be calculated by these dimensions. So volume equal to 2 into 3 into 1, that equal to 6 centimeter cube. So density formula, mass by volume. So D equal to m by v. M is given, that is 4 grams. Volume is given, that is 6. So 4 by 6 equal to 0.66 gram per cc. So units for density, gram per cc in CCS, kilogram per meter in SI units. So based on the physical state of matter classified into 3 states: solids, liquids and gases. So properties of solids. Solids have different shape and volume. So these are almost incompressible. These are hot and rigid. They have high boiling and melting point. They can act as a good conductor of electricity. Some solids do change their shapes of external force is applied, but force is removed, they regain their original shape. For example, elastic rubber. So applied some force for elastic, its shape is converted, and then external force is removed, then original shape is reobtained. So solids, examples for solids: wood, book, chalk. So solids can exhibit a different shape and volume. Second one, liquids. So the second physical state of matter, liquids. Liquids cannot exhibit specific shape and volume. So liquids occupies container shape. So properties of liquid. These cannot exhibit specific shape. But they can exhibit shape of the container. Shape of the container. So the volume of liquids depend on the volume of the container. volume of the container. So liquids flows the property of viscosity. So what is viscosity? For example, oil and water is pouring floor. So water is flow fast than oil. So the opposition of force of liquid is called viscosity. Viscosity is depend on the force. So opposition of flow of liquid on the surface of the another space is called viscosity. So oil is less viscosity than water. So liquids are measured with respect to liters and milliliters. Examples for liquids: water, milk, kerosene. Third state solids, gaseous state. Gases do not exhibit a specific shape, so the properties of gases. First property, they can physical state of matter depend on the temperature. Change of physical state of matter change with the temperature. So temperature is measured in degrees centigrade, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. So substance like water exists in all the three physical states. The change in density, pressure, other physical properties, the basic chemical structures of matter remains the same. Any matter can exist as solids, liquid, gases, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensed state. So melting point, the temperature at which solids are directly converted into liquids is called melting point. So the melting point of oxygen is minus 218 degrees centigrade and the melting point of glucose is 150 degrees centigrade. Next, freezing point, the temperature at which liquids are converted into solids is called freezing point. The freezing point of water at 0 degrees centigrade or 273 Kelvin. Degree centigrade is converted to Kelvin by addition with the 273. The normal body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade or 310 Kelvin or 98.4 Fahrenheit. It's a boiling point. The temperature at which liquid state is converted into vapor state is called boiling point. The boiling point of water at 100 degrees centigrade or 373 Kelvin or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Conversions of units of temperature into different forms. First type, Fahrenheit into degree centigrade temperature. Formula, Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. For example, the conversion of 113 Fahrenheit into degree centigrade. Apply this formula. Formula is Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. So here Fahrenheit is given, that is 113 Fahrenheit. So this value is substituted in this formula. So 113 minus 32 into 5 by 9. 113 minus 32 equal to 81. So 81 into 5 by 9. 81 into 5, 405. 405 by 9 equal to 45 degree centigrade. So 113 formula is converted into degree centigrade. Apply this formula. This formula is F minus 32 into 5 by 9. So 113 degrees formula is converted into degree centigrade. That value is 45 degree centigrade. Second type, degree centigrade is converted into Fahrenheit temperature. So formula is centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 30 degrees centigrade. So for example, 40 degrees centigrade is converted into Fahrenheit. Degrees centigrade is converted into Fahrenheit. So apply this formula. Formula is centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 30 degrees centigrade. C value is given, that is 40 into 9 by 5 plus 30 degrees centigrade. So 30 into 40, 360 by 5 plus 30. 360 by 5, 60. 72 plus 30, that equal to 102 Fahrenheit. So 40 degrees centigrade is equal to 132 Fahrenheit. And more examples. 120 Fahrenheit is converted into degree centigrade. So formula is Fahrenheit minus 32. Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Fahrenheit is 120 minus 32 into 5 by 9. 120 minus 32, 88. So 88 into 5 by 9. So 88 into 5, 440 by 9. 440 by 9 equal to 440 by 9 equal to 9 one time and 4 4 and 47 degrees centigrade. Second type, degrees centigrade is converted into Fahrenheit. 35 degrees centigrade is converted into Fahrenheit. Apply formula centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 30 degrees centigrade. So temperature is given in degrees centigrade, that is 35 into 9 by 5 plus 30 degrees. So 63 plus 30, that equal to 93 degrees centigrade. So 35 degrees centigrade is converted to Fahrenheit, that value is 93 Fahrenheit. So these are the conversions of temperatures into different units. Next. Evaporation. The tendency of liquid molecules escape into space is called evaporation. For example, liquid is taken into a vessel, it is heated at a high temperature, then liquid molecule is escaped into the surface of the vessel. That process is called evaporation. Next one, rate of evaporation. Rate explained with respect to time. So, the number of liquid molecules escape into the space above in a unit time is called rate of evaporation. Condensation. So, now we take a liquid is taken into a closed vessel, then temperature is applied, the liquid is stick on the cap of the vessel, and after some time that liquid is turned back on the surface of the liquid. That type of process is called condensation. So condensation means the liquid molecules is turned back on the surface of the substance is called condensation. So rate of condensation. Rate with respect to time, the number of liquid molecules condensated in a unit time is called the rate of condensation. So with respect to rate of evaporation and rate of condensation, I will discuss equilibrium. Equilibrium. So the rate of evaporation will become equal to the rate of condensation is called equilibrium. Next one, sublimation. The process of solids are directly converted into vapor state is called sublimation. For example, camphor and naphthalene. So camphor is sublimated into vapor state, naphthalene is sublimated into vapor state. So both are belongs to example for sublimated solids. Next. Vapor pressure. The temperature at which liquid molecules are converted into vapor state in its equilibrium is called vapor pressure. The physical state of water is different physical states. So change in temperature, the physical state also change. So the physical state of water at 25 degrees centigrade is liquid, and it is increase the temperature, it become converted into gases, and decrease converted into solids. So change in temperature, the physical state also change. Water existed in three phases in all temperatures. So room temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. So the physical state of water at room temperature is liquid, and decrease room temperature become converted into solids, increase room temperature become converted into gases. So changing the temperature, pressure, density, physical properties, the physical state of matter is also changed. So evaporation also depend on the temperature, pressure, surface area of the liquid, humidity, wind of the speed. The object absorbs the heat energy. Heat enters the object and warms it. The longer the object is exposed to heat surface, more heat is absorbed. Different colors response to heat absorption, different colors. So for example, Black color is absorbed more heat. White color is absorbed less heat. So in summer season, cotton white color clothes are comfortable to wear.